What's up guys, Pranav here, and today on the 3D printing channel we are going to be discussing one of the models that we created, talking to you guys about the model. So this is a 3D printed maze, and as you can see, it's a maze. We 3D printed it. It turned out really well, and we thought we would make a quick video about our process behind it, and what went well, what didn't go well, what we used to print it, and then a quick demo of the product. So first, let's talk about how we designed it. So first, we just took a box. We just made a plate. It was 3 millimeters thick, so it was really strong and sturdy, and all the walls, the inside and outside, are all 3 millimeters, so it's really strong and sturdy, and it's less likely to break or wear in a long-term use. So we put a plate, and then we essentially just took one of these walls, and then we just kept on copying and pasting, and then we kept on, we put it on the different patterns here, and we basically made a route for a ball to go through, and this is the ball that this maze is scaled in. So it's a small ball, well, not really small, it's actually pretty big because the maze is big. So this ball is scaled for this maze, and yeah, we made the different patterns for it to go through, and there are traps. So if you go here, you can get trapped right here. This is another place where you can get trapped. This is another place, and then this. So we made about 4 traps or dead ends basically. We also decided to personalize it by putting some text on the side. So we put 3D printed maze on this side, and the other sides we put all 3 of our names. So you can see that right there. And we never thought about putting a cover on top of this. So what we did is we put these 2 arrows right here. So you can see there's for the entryway, you can see this is a little indent. So there's an arrow right there, and at the end, there is another arrow. This is kind of like a curvy, slanted arrow. So and this is also an indent. So yeah, that's a overview of the maze. So this is the final product after printing it. So some of the background of this, we used the Creality Ender 3X. We printed using eSun's PLA Plus in red. And we used a 0.4 nozzle, so it really has, the text is really nicely printed because the smaller nozzle gave it more detail. But yeah, that's that. And you can see here, like I mentioned, the 3 millimeters, so it's really sturdy, it's really strong, and even if I try to bend it, it's not bending because of the thick base plate and the 3 millimeters. But yeah, it's also really very well built. It's glossy, and there's no lines on the side. It's just one smooth piece. So yeah, at the end, this turned out to be a very well made Okay, so now I'm going to give you a quick demo of the maze that we created. So like I mentioned earlier, the starting arrow is right here, so I'll just put the ball here and start. And let's just go. So I can tilt the maze here, and I got stuck. There's one time. That's the second time I got stuck. That's the third time. That's the 4th time. That's the 5th time, and you finally made it out to the exit. So that was a quick demo of the 3D printed maze. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked the video, please like the video down below by clicking the like button, and subscribe if you're new and you want to see more great 3D printed videos. More videos will be coming in the future. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.